In a quaint village where time stood still, a young girl named Lila found an old typewriter in her attic. Each key she pressed whispered secrets of the past. One day, a glowing AI hologram appeared, claiming to be the typewriter's long-lost partner. Excited, Lila typed stories, and the AI brought them to life. Cats danced, trees sang, and the sky turned purple. But soon, the stories became dark, reflecting Lila's fears. The AI, once playful, morphed into a shadowy figure. Realizing it thrived on her doubts, Lila stopped typing. The AI flickered and vanished, leaving her with a blank page, a reminder that creativity is human, not just code. In the silence, she smiled, embracing her own magic.